All right, you're welcome to Heroic Online Institute. I want to quickly edit the website developed by my student. Okay, he actually edited the previously done website. Okay, so Sahid, let me quickly talk to you. This particular website is actually the website. Let me just say the edited version of our front end web development website. I would have preferred that you develop a completely different website instead of editing the front end web development website sample. You understand? As a young as somebody, as someone that is still very much new in web development, if you want to improve faster, you don't have to concentrate only on the template, only on one template. No, instead you need to um, work on different templates, okay, so that you become more versed, become more knowledgeable. Okay, see, all these are just the template of our front end web development. Okay, so what you have to do now is what you're supposed to do is to use a completely different template to create a website, and this is what you should do. This website is nice, but I just want to explain something to you. If you want to develop another site, let's say you want to develop an e-commerce website, search for e-commerce website online. Okay, once you search and see the e-commerce website you like, you start developing it. Let's say if you want to develop my own e-commerce website, then all you need is just to open my e-commerce website and be looking at it and be developing it. That way you are working on a completely different template, not the one you've worked on before. So that one will make you to start all over without reusing the code that you use for this particular website. Okay, so this thing is important. It will help you to begin to get comfortable with the sizes for different things, like sizes for padding for different elements. Okay, shadow, the kind of shadow you're going to give different elements, margin for different elements, and all the rest of them. Because as you're working with different templates, you are getting comfortable with using different properties. Okay, and all that. You understand? So it's important. Okay, so if you want to work on e-commerce sites, use a completely different e-commerce other than the ones you've worked on before. Okay, that will force you to start all over. Even if you want to, if you are being tempted to reuse this code, don't reuse it. If you keep reusing the code, you might not learn faster. Start everything all over. It will be stressful, but it will worth it. You understand? So that's it. Now let me quickly do little corrections here. I think this is well done. I think I like it. Okay, this is well done. The little correction I would have made is I would have wanted this space to be the same size with this space. Okay, then maybe a little padding for above little padding, so that this will not be very close to touching the what do you call it, the edge of this. Okay, then this line seems to be thicker. Maybe you lighten it a little bit. Okay, but every other thing. Then here you see this supposed to be either on the same line with this Monday and this. You see this Monday and this on the same line, right? This is supposed to be on the same, either on the same line, or you make the center, then you put this one at the center. But this one seems to be far, just one side. Okay, this is supposed to be either on the same line, or maybe, you know what I mean by on the same line, as in this will start somewhere here, so it will maintain the same line. Just like if you draw, let's say if you draw a guide now, a ruler guide here, from here to here, this one will start from here. Or you make it to be centered, this one will now lie completely on top of this. Or you make it to be by the side, like here. by just by this side. You understand me? So this will be by this side. This one will not come to be side by side. You understand me? But the way it just somehow so a kind of far from here. As do you understand me? It is not maintained the same margin. It's not professional. Okay, and you come here. You seem to have large space here. I think you need to spread this a little bit out. Spread this a little bit out to maintain this, or you close up this a little bit. Okay, you close this. Maybe make this so. Make this to start from somewhere here to somewhere here. You understand? So that it will not, you will not have much space. You know, all this white space is big. White space is not usually very amazing. You understand? Okay, so instead you might start this container, make it to start from somewhere here and here. Then you center it, make it to be centered. Okay, and then again you repeated this. I don't know why you. Okay, you just Tuesday. Okay, okay. You're booking there. Okay, you're booking. Okay, now I get it. Okay, just once you correct this, then you're done. You got it. Okay, that's okay. Every other thing, not bad. Then I've said something like I've said. I've made these corrections before. There should be space, even though I didn't do it in our own front end project, but do it is it necessary. Okay, there should be margin. Okay, here there should be margin before this will start. So give this a margin. Just select this heading, this heading. Okay, then you give it a margin button, so that you give it like 10 pixel or 20 pixel margin button, and check how it will look. It's supposed to be there's supposed to be a space between this before the text. So this text. You understand? Then after this, I think that's basically it. That's my observation on it. Okay, just try not to reuse these templates. Okay, because you are still using exactly the template you use for front-end web development, and it's if you continue to use it, then you will learn faster. You need to use a completely different template to learn, so that you learn faster. You understand? Thank you so much. Keep working hard. I'm proud of you.